Great titles make videos better by adding impact, information, and style. And Premiere Pro has the best titling tools available. Here's what you can do with them. Create titles with beautiful typography and graphical elements. Design right on your video so you can get the composition right. Use animation to bring your titles to life. Save your designs as customizable templates. Organize your templates in libraries for easy access and sharing. If your timeline has lots of titles, the text panel in Premiere Pro makes it easy to review, search, and even spell check all of them. With the titling tools arranged around the program monitor, everything you need is always close at hand. And there's more you can do. Create beautiful captions in your videos using the same toolset. Start by transcribing your video. Generate captions. Make them look great. Add a track style for a consistent look. And export your video in industry standard formats. For advanced titles and animations, build motion graphics templates in After Effects. Create a design, and choose which properties can be edited. Back in Premiere Pro, drop the template onto your sequence and customize the contents, like text and fonts, and much more. After Effects templates are incredibly powerful. And if you don't have time for that right now, we've still got you covered. Browse for professionally designed titles right in Premiere Pro. Choose from free or paid and drag the template into your edit. Premiere Pro gives you so much room to grow, from design to animations, from transcripts to captions. From the power of After Effects to the speed and efficiency of Premiere Pro, there is almost no limit to what you can do. But most importantly, whatever you need to create, Premiere Pro gives you a place to start. Try out the titling tools in the latest release of Premiere Pro today.